Okay, so this is, if you just go to elsonhaasmd.thinkific.com, this is the basic landing page. This is where all the classes are listed. So whether you're new or you've taken a lot of classes, you just scroll down and you'll see all the classes here. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see these tiny little words, sign in. That's your key, because a lot of people miss that part. So when you click sign in, if you tell your computer to remember you, when you click the spring course, then you will see this turquoise box. That's how you'll know that you're inside of the learning platform. All right, and then you'll see here's the new medicine book in the center. In the left-hand navigation here is where all of your materials are. When you click on the title, it drops down the drop-down menu and things appear in the center then. So like you've got the introduction, you've got the seasonal health guide. So for those of you who are asking about the book, you're already getting pieces of the book here. So you can see all of the different pages here in the PDF. The meditation for the doyo is here, the recording. You have the nutrition tracker, you have the video. If you didn't join us for the March 13th class, you can see the video, the audio, and then you click the little circle here to make that accordion menu close up again. And after you click a piece, see in the bottom right-hand corner here, it says next chapter. So you can use the left-hand navigation, or when you click next chapter, then it keeps track of how much you've seen, how much you've already participated in.